about Jesus has gone to Mark chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 23. What make people really clean? Then some Pharisee and some of the law teacher them will come from Jerusalem gather up around Jesus. And them see some of Jesus follower them yam them food and they never wash them hand. Cause the Pharisee them, as a matter of fact, all of the Jew them, no yam till them wash them hand. Cause them did follow hard the way how them father them used to live. And when they come in from market, them don't yam nothing till they make themselves clean as according to what they learn from them father them. And then keep enough other whole time sitting. Then wash cup, pot, kettle and then sitting where they sit down pan when them are going to yam them food. The Pharisee them and the law teacher them ask Jesus say, make you follow them, not do it with father them teach what to do. And yam and not wash their hand. Jesus answered them say, Isaiah the prophet did talk truth when he write about unu whole hypocrite. Him write say, all them set of people you do, I take them mouth big me up, but in them heart, them no want have nothing to do with me. And it don't make sense they worship me when them a teach man make rule, like say that a female rule. Cause they only teach the sitting them what man make up like say a God law. Uno hang on to the whole time sitting them we come from the father them. But uno no pay no mind to what God say uno fit do. And he say, uno think uno so smart that uno turn no back upon what God say uno fit do and say it no matter. So that uno can follow what uno father them say uno fit do. Because Moses say, respect on the father and the mother. And anybody will cuss out and disrespect them father and mother, kill them. But uno say that it alright if anybody tell him father and mother say, the help me could have given no, me don't give God already. That way there, uno tap him from doing he should have do for him father and him mother. So no use the sitting them when the father them say, if you make God word come in like say it no mean nothing. And uno do enough more sitting like that. Then Jesus called the crowd one more time to come which part him did there and said to them, say, all of you listen me and understand this. Nothing where the outside somebody can make them get dirty. I will come out of them mouth make them dirty. After Jesus left the crowd and go in the house, him follow them asking what the Torah mean. So him said to them, say, uno mean say uno really no get what me a say? Uno no know say nothing when nobody eat can't make God write them off say them dirty. Cause when them eat, no go in them heart, it go in them stomach and then it go in the toilet. Jesus said this for sure say all food clean. So him say, I sitting them will come out as somebody make them dirty and not clean in a God's eye. Cause inside of somebody's heart, all kind of wickedness where people think up come from. People do all kind of sex sin, thief, kill people, sleep with other people where they're not married to, wanty, wicked, tell lie, no business with no law, and broke every one of them, ready eye, take them mouth, tear down other people, show off, and full up all kind of foolishness. All of them sitting there come out of somebody's heart and make them dirty and not clean in a God's eye. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.